Imagine getting paid for doing absolutely nothing. Sounds crazy, right? But these secret websites actually do it. First, Honeygain. Just install it, and it pays you every day for sharing unused internet data. No tasks, no effort, just passive income. Second, Cash Magnet. This app runs on your phone and earns you money while you sleep. Literally set it and forget it. Third, Idle Empire. Watch videos, leave it running in the background and get paid in PayPal or crypto. Fourth, Nielsen Computer Panel. They track your browsing habits anonymously and send you monthly rewards, up to $50, just for keeping it installed. Fifth, Current Rewards. Play music on your phone, even if you're not listening, and earn cash points automatically. These sites won't make you rich, but they pay you real money for doing nothing. Want more hidden websites like these? Hit subscribe. Your next side hustle might just be one click away.